In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add more font styles for subtitles on iPhone. Alright, so I'm starting here on my iPhone, and the first thing we need to do is open the Settings app. I'll tap on Settings to bring up the main menu where all your device options are located. Once you're inside Settings, scroll down a bit until you see Accessibility. Go ahead and tap on Accessibility to open the accessibility features for your iPhone. Now that we're in Accessibility, scroll down until you find Subtitles and Captioning. Tap on that to open the subtitle and captioning settings. Here, tap on Style. This is where you can manage how subtitles and captions look while watching videos on your iPhone. Next, tap on Create New Style. This will let you customize a subtitle style to your liking. You can change the font, size, and other options to make the subtitles easier to read, or just match your personal preference. Once you've chosen your font and adjusted the settings, the new style will be saved, and any subtitles or captions you use on your iPhone will reflect these changes, and that's basically it. You just open Settings, go into Accessibility, tap on Subtitles and Captioning, select Style, and then create a new style to customize the font for your subtitles. So that's how you add more font styles for subtitles on an iPhone.